Standard 8 Subject Social Science, Chapter number 5, Revolutionaries of India Part 2. In previous part we have learned about the meaning of revolutionary, who started revolutionary activities in India and many other revolutionaries. The first who started revolutionary activities in India was Vasudev Balwant Phadke, then Veer Savarkar and Khudiram Bose. Today we are going to learn about Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan and Chandrasekhar Azad. Ram Prasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur in the United Province, that is Uttar Pradesh, in 1897. He was the kingpin of the Kakori conspiracy, where the revolutionary hatched a plan to rob a train carrying the treasury, for which he was sentenced to death. Ram Prasad Bismil was the main person after this robbery. Ram Prasad was one of the members who formed revolutionary organization Hindustan Republic Association. Bhagat Singh praised him as a great poet writer of Urdu and Hindi. Bismil was his pen name. He had translated the books Catherine from English and Bolshevikan in Kartut from Bengali. His poems inspired patriotic fervor among the Indians. डर और दीवार पे हसरत से नज़र करते हैं, खुश रहो अहले वतन हम तो सफ़र करते हैं. These are the lines written by Ram Prasad Bismil for his country, which shows his love for his motherland. In this way, Ram Prasad Bismil has done many great revolutionary activities in this organization for the freedom of India. Next is Ashfaqullah Khan. Ashfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil had set up an example of Hindu-Muslim unity. They were childhood friends. He was an expert in horse riding and shooting. He had prevented the attack on Arya Samaj temple in Shahjahanpur. So we can say that there were a great friendship between Ashfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil. He was involved in Mainpuri train robbery conspiracy as well as Kakori conspiracy. He too was hung in prison on the same day as Ram Prasad Bismil. Their friendship has done many work for the freedom of India. Chandrasekhar Azad. His real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bhavra village of Alirazpur district in Madhya Pradesh. He received preliminary education in Kashi. He was a nationalist since the childhood. Chandrasekhar participated in non-cooperation movement. When he was arrested for the first time, he was so young that police did not have handcuffs of his size. In the court, when he was asked his name, he said Azad. He told his father's name was Freedom and his residence was prison. After that, he becomes popular as Azad and people called him Chandrasekhar Azad. He participated in train robbery at Kakori station with Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan, where they robbed the treasure of the Britishers from the train. 40 revolutionaries were arrested, but Azad managed to escape in Kakori station train robbery. The British government announced a bounty or prize to catch him. Azad had taken a vow not to caught alive by British authority. On 27 February 1931, Azad was surrounded by British police in Alfred Park of Allahabad. Azad put up a brave fight single-handedly and then he shot himself because he did not want to get arrested. It is said that police was so scared of Azad that they shot 2-3 bullets into his body to confirm his death before they stepped closer to him. So we can say that all these revolutionaries has a great impact over the Britishers. Even Britishers were scared of them. The train carrying the government treasury was going from Saharanpur to Lucknow on 9th August 1925. On the way, at Kakori station, the train was robbed by the 40 revolutionaries, and their main goal was to collect money for the weapons and the revolutionary activities. In this way, they have affected Britishers in a great. In next part, we will learn about the other revolutionaries.